Welcome to Online Legal Information System. This system is designed after a needs assessment survey carried out on 397 respondents. The data received from the respondents through a questionnaire was analyzed using SPSS. The recommendations and feedback received from the respondents were used to design this proposed model. This model has three kinds of searches. One is OLIS search, another is judicial search, and third one is legislative search. In case you wish to explore the database in a single shot, it is recommended to use the OLIS search. The OLIS search has three kinds of searches. First is basic search, then advanced search, and additional search. Basic search contains two information types. First is judicial information and another is legislative. In case you wish to explore only the judicial search, then you must check out legislative, or in case you wish only legislative information, then you must check out the judicial information. Or you have some specific requirement, then you can select one particular database, case law, evidence, articles, form, so on and so forth. Suppose I want to explore the whole database in a single shot, and I use a keyword state and then click on the submit button. What it did, it retrieved 267 results out of these all databases, which contain on the right side panel 152 case laws, 1 article, 1 form, 1 speech, 5 audio video, 30 acts, 15 parliament bills, 10 Lok Sabha debates, so on and so forth. Suppose I want to explore the whole record using a subject, then I have to use a left side panel, or I can opt a particular subject. After clicking on service law, these 267 results will be filtered based on a service law. Suppose I need only the case law, therefore I click on a case law icon. Now it filter my 267 results to 152. Again, I wish to have records only produced by the Supreme Court, then I have to click on Supreme Court. Now this again there is a filtering, and total results retrieved are 119. Now I wish to have this particular record, then I click on this party name. It navigate me to full metadata record. This metadata record contain code, date of judgment, case number, case type, judges who decided this case, subject of the case, statute referred in the decisions, section referred in the decision or case law, whether the bench was double bench or full bench is also mentioned, and the advocate who appeared on the behalf of parties. We have also included the history of a case law, so that user can know from which high court it reached to the Supreme Court and what was the status in the lower court. State of the applicant is also mentioned. Interestingly, we have mentioned the equivalent citations in other law reports. It is very useful in case lawyer doesn't have access to commercial databases and they only have a printed reports. Therefore, they can refer this equal citation facility. We have also incorporated the case note of a case law, so that the user can understand the gist of the case. Interestingly, we have given some hyperlink within the case note. These hyperlink may be related to some sections, it may be related to some rules, it may be related to some act. For instance, in this section 35A5, 31.5 is mentioned, which is referred in the case law. After clicking on this, user can get this 31.5 section of the act. In case you wish to have the full text record, then you have to click on the download button. Subsequently, you can save on your local computer, you can take print, you can zoom in or you can zoom out. Suppose I wish to save on my desktop, then I click on the save button, it will save on my desktop. In case you wish to have a print of this metadata record, you need to click on this print icon. Similarly, other specific databases can also be explored. Suppose I click on a case law and type a keyword criminal, it will retrieve, sorry, there is a error here. I have to choose a, here I have to choose a, in case I am using a criminal, I have to use a case note, or in case you want to explore the party name, then you have to use him party name. Then you have to click on a submit button, it will retrieve the record out of the case law databases. You can click on a more button to know its full record. These records can be shared on your Facebook profile, your LinkedIn profile, Google Plus and Twitter account. These can be filtered based on a year, advocate, statute, case type, court type, bench strength as well. These searches can be saved. Suppose these 136 listing of record I want to save in my account, then I have to give some query name like state, and then I will have to click on the save search button. It is saved on my account. This the 7th search. Then go back. In case you wish to have a full record along with the full text file in your email ID, then you have to select a particular record and click on the send email. This will send you your email account. Similarly, other databases can also be selected. Another type of search is judicial search, which contains more specific search form. Like in article search, article title, author, subject, journal, volume, year are also mentioned. In speech database, keyword, title of speech, speaker, event, where speech delivered, date and abstract is mentioned. In knowledge search, there is one more interesting database, that is audio and video. Suppose I want to search a video on panel, then I click on a submit button. It retrieved 2 videos. One is Indian Panel Code 1860 and another is Basics of Indian Panel Code. Suppose I wish to watch this video, then I have to click on a thumbnail. It will navigate me to the full video lecture. This screen can be enhanced to full screen, volume can be increased, or you can pause the video. Now go back to the judicial search. Commentaries can also be explored. Here you have to use a keywords. Suppose I use the word law and submit it. It will retrieve the commentary which contains a keyword case law. Interestingly, on the right side of the panel, 5 recent added commentaries are also mentioned. Then I click on a submit button. It retrieved 5 commentaries. Suppose I wish to have the commentary Ancient Law by J.H. Morgan. The very unique part of this collection is that you can access the chapter individually. Suppose you wish only introduction part, then you have to click on introduction, and you can save this chapter to your local computer. Similarly, in case you want a preface, you can also save it on a local computer. The contents of the commentary can also be searched. You have seen in the search window this is a note and description. It empowers the user to search the contents of the commentary. Another type of search is legislative search, which contains acts, parliament bill, Lok Sabha debate, Rajya Sabha debate, treaties, case notes, notification rules and websites. User can also contribute to the OLIS. However, in case they wish to contribute, they have to log into the OLIS, and thereupon they can start the submission. They can submit article, form, speech, audio, video and website. Suppose I wish to contribute the article, but I have to keep in mind the publisher policy where I have published my paper. What is the embargo period, when I can publish the article to open domain, that I have to keep in mind. Thereupon I can start the submission. It will ask you the title of the article, magazine, year, volume, page number, author and abstract of the article. In case some video file is associated with the article, that can also be uploaded. From here you have to upload the full text file of the article, and thereupon you have to click on the submit button. Similarly, other contents can also be contributed, such as form, speech and audio video. Useful website which you feel can be very beneficial to other can be submitted through the contribute button. Latest news help you to know about the latest news. On the left side of the panel there are some services mentioned, which include some useful websites. It includes electronic reference service, dictionary and almanac, Indian reference sources, education resources, current information sources, encyclopedias, e-books, theses and dissertations. Besides this, online journals in the field of law are also mentioned. E-filing facility of Supreme Courts are also linked to the OLIS. Equal citation tables empower the user to know the equal citation in other law report. We have also created a blog which will help the user to know the latest happening in the field of law. Uploading policies, training, deposit guide, copyright are also mentioned on the home page. Besides this, individual databases are also linked with the home page. It will navigate them to the specific search form of a particular database. In addition, Merriam-Webster dictionary widget is also indicated, which will help you to know the meaning of a particular word. Thank you very much.